Hello, my name is Rio Praditya Hendrinata with student ID number 210291115 from Mathematics Education Study Program. I will explain about polynomials. Firstly, the definition of polynomials. Polynomials is a form of multiple value terms composed of variables and constants. Example 1. Fx equals to 2x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 10. And then number 2, gx equals to minus 3x cubed plus 8. The last, hx equals to 2020x to the power of 2021 minus 2021 x to the power of 2020. Then the next is A. Calculating the value of the polynomials. General form of polynomial is an multiply x to the power 2n plus an minus 1 multiply x to the power of x minus 1 plus until plus a1 x plus a0 or constant, where an minus 1 until a1 and a element real is the coefficient or constants. An is not equal to 0 and is a positive integer number that represent the degree of the polynomials. The power of x is the degree of the polynomial. To calculate the value of polynomial, we can use two methods. First, substitution method. Example 1. Find the value of fx equals x squared minus 2x plus 2 if x equals 3. Answer is f3 equals 3 squared minus 2 multiplied 3 plus 2 equals 9 minus 4, and we get the result is 5. 2. Find the value of fx is equals x to the power of 2021 minus 2021 if x is equals minus 1. The answer is f minus 1 is equals minus 1 to the power of 2021 minus 2021 is equals minus 2022. The next is Horner method. Example 1. Find the value of fx is equals 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2 if x equals 2. Answer, we look the coefficient of x cubed until the constant. The coefficient of x cubed is 4 and the coefficient of x squared is minus 2. The coefficient of x is 0 and the constant is 2. Answer using Horner method. Firstly, replace the coefficient of x cubed until the constant here, and then replace the x equals 2 here. To answer this, firstly write down the coefficient of x cubed here and then multiply with 2, and for multiply 2 we got 8 and add 8 with minus 2 and we got 6. 6 multiply 2 we got 12, and 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 multiply 2, 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 multiply 2 is 24, and 24 plus 2 is 26. So we got f2 from Horner method is 26. The last result is 29. So f2 is equals to 29. And then number 2, find the value of fx is equals minus 3x cubed minus 10x minus 2 if x equals minus 2. Firstly, like number 1, we should know the coefficient and constant. Coefficient of x cubed is minus 3. Coefficient of x squared is 0. Coefficient of x is minus 10. And the last constant is minus 2. And then using Horner method to answer this question, replace the coefficient and constant and replace x is equals minus 2. Firstly, write down the coefficient of x cubed and then multiply. Minus 3 multiply minus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 multiply minus 2 is minus 12, and then minus 12 plus minus 10 is minus 22. Minus 22 multiply minus 2 is minus 44, and then the last we add minus 44 plus minus 2 is minus 46. So the last result is minus 46, and we got f minus 2 is minus 46. And the next is division of polynomials. Firstly, using tiered division. Example 1. Divide fx equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 by x minus 2. And then 3x we write like this, and here have 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 divide by x minus 2. And then we got 3x multiply x minus 2 to eliminate the 3x squared. So we got 3x multiply x minus 2 is equals 3x squared minus 6x. And then 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. Minus 4x plus 6x is 2x. And write down the minus. To eliminate 2x, we plus 2 here. And then x minus 2 multiply 2 is 2x minus 4. We got the last result is 2. So we can get the equation of fx equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 by x minus 2 is 3x plus 2 with the remainder 2. And the next is using Horner method. The example 1. Divide fx is equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 by x minus 2. To answer this, like the last question of Horner method, we should explain the coefficient and constant. Coefficient of x squared is 3, coefficient of x minus 4, and constant is minus 2. And then make x minus 2 equals to 0, so we get x equals 2. And then we replace the coefficient and constant in here, and then replace the x equals to here. After that, write the coefficient x squared and then multiply that, or multiply 3 and 2. 3 multiply 2 is 6, and then 6 plus minus 4 is 2, and then 2 multiply 2 is 4. 4 plus minus 2 is 2. So we got the result with 2 is the remainder, 3 is the coefficient of x, and then 2 is the constant. So the quotient is 3x plus 2, and 2 is the remainder. The next, C. Remainder theorem. With the division algorithm can be obtained the following relationship. Fx is equals x minus h multiply hx plus s, where x minus h is divisor, hx is quotient, and s is the remainder. The next, the remainder theorem 1. If the polynomial fx is divided by x minus h, then the remainder is fx. And then the example 1. Determine remainder if 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2. And the answer is if fx is equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 2, then f2 is equals 3 multiply 2 square minus 4 multiply 2 minus 2 is equals 12 minus 10. And then the last result is 2. So according the remainder theorem, the remainder is 2. The remainder theorem 2. if the polynomial fx is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder for it is fb over a. And then, for example, 1. Determine remainder if 4x squared minus 4x minus 2 is divided by 2x minus 1. The answer, if fx is equals 4x squared minus 4x minus 2, then f1 over 2 is equals 4 multiply 1 over 2 square minus 4 multiply 1 over 2 minus 2 is equals minus 3. So according to the remainder theorem, the remainder is minus 3. And then D, vector theorem. Suppose fx is a polynomial, then fh is equals 0 if and only if h minus h is a vector of fx. Proof: from remainder theorem we got fx is equals x minus h plus fh. If fh is equals 0, then fx is equals x minus h multiply h. So we can get x minus h is vector of fx. Fh equals to 0. And then, for example, 1. Determine the vector of 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. Step 1. Try the probability of fh until fh is equals to 0. Possible value of h is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and plus minus 4. fh is equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. After try all, fx is equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. After try all of value h, we got fh is equals to 0 if h is equals to. Step 2. Using Horner method to get h. We have the coefficient and constant of the fx, and then replace on here and replace h equals 2. So write down the coefficient of x squared and multiply. 3 multiply 2 is equals 6. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 multiply 2 is 4. 4 plus 4, 4 plus minus 4 is 0. So because the last result is 0, and then we got hx is equals 3x plus 2. So the vector of fx is x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. So thank you for your attention. I think enough. Thank you and see you.